Ahead of the Bendel Insurance Match Day 2 for the Nigerian Premier Football League (NPFL) encounter with Plateau United, Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, don encourage the team to go all out for victory against their opponents. The Deputy Governor conjoined the team train on Wednesday evening for Western Boys High School Mini Stadium, Benin City. After the training, Comrade Philip tok say he thank Baba God say Bendel Insurance still dey intact and talk say before the beginning of the season, dem recruitment need quality players to join the good team wey dem already get before, and say this season go dey hectic sake of say the league go long pass as e dey before as they go play 38 league match. Oga Shaibu still talk say the team dey prepared for the marathon league season and say dem want make all their players dey fit and injury free. He still talk say dem miss their former striker Imade wey don join UAE club and talk say belle sweet am wella for Edo Queens player Glory Ogbonna wey dem just invite to join Super Falcons. He still talk say make all the insurance fans and football lovers come out this Saturday, October 14th, 2023 to support Bendel Insurance against Plateau United.
Insurance is still intact. Before the season, we had some new recruitment, quality players to join the good team that we already have to beef it up and to sustain our undefeated run in the last season. This time is going to be very hectic because we're having a straight league where we'll be playing almost 38 matches, if I'm not mistaken, and unlike the bridge league that we had the last time. So we needed to beef the team up, preparing for that lengthy marathon league that we'll be having this year. A team that we are sure that they will be able to sustain the tempo, that the level that we are as Bendel Insurance. Bendel Insurance is a team to beat anyway, and they are conscious of it, and that's why we beef the team up. We are missing one of our players, Imade. I spoke to him yesterday. He's doing very well in UAE to be in his youth club, and the good news is that Imade scored his first league goal yesterday, and so I was so excited. So it shows that Bendel Insurance is coming up as we wanted. Our players are now going out of the country, and they are doing very well. Gloria started it with Edo Queen. She's doing very well. Bendel Insurance, I want Edo people to come out en masse on Saturday to support their darling team, and not only coming physically to support them, they should pray for them that God of football and luck should continue to go with Insurance, because Insurance is a mass movement. Insurance is our darling team. So all of us should come out and give them the support that they need and pray for them for victory.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Pelumi Mokoro, TMC TV News.